Here's the update. Hood's on, front end's on. Floor's in. This is going to be coming out today probably for a bench seat. Had to carry that thing in, wicked heavy. Let's see. Today we'll probably get the seat and the bed mounted. I already got the floor cut out. The bed floor cut out. I already got the steel to make the new rails to go across. Yeah. It is cold. Got the heat coming. Just gotta wait for it to get on. Yep, we gotta do some more pieces in here. Little triangles right through here. Weld all this in, weld all that in. And that's good to go. While we're waiting for the fire, we'll take a look at what we got done yesterday. Those LED turn signals. We didn't want to put them anywhere else because it would have looked goofy. So, basically hit them there real nice. We do have the seat in. We believe this to be a Chevy Equinox seat. It is removable. It is not bolted in to where you cannot get it out. Floor's done completely. Put in the rest of the panels. Weld it all the way around. It is done. I was working on the gas pedal the other day, and it's really not got a good position in there. So we're going to have to adjust that a little bit and try to figure out how we want it and make sure the cable will reach and everything. The panels up top are done and in. The glove box door is on. We'll probably put the gauges in today, put the gas pedal on, and probably work on the bed. But it's coming along. It's along nice, actually. But I see now I'll never have a rat rod because I'm not going to fit in there. But I was thinking about it. If I got a steering column out of a stick, which don't have the collar here that moves, I could push it in further. And if it's got a tilt wheel, which this one does not, then the tilt will help. And the seats still be about the same. I'll probably put like Cavalier seats in mine if I ever build one. No, I didn't even check. I should sit in there and see if I can fit in there. Let's see. No way. No chance. Nope. Oh man, that seat's wet. My butt's cold now. But we're coming along. So I still have to finish up the wiring. We have to cut a hole to run, again, the ECM wire. This wiring is actually, the rest of it's there, which is the dash harness, which we have to put in. Still, we'll have to make sure it runs still. The hood's basically done though. As you can see, I got it flipped up. Again, we're not doing any of the windows. But yeah, it's coming along pretty quick. I'd say by the end of the week, we will be close to finished. So by the time you watch this, by the end of the video, it could be done. Let's take a look where we finished at. This would have been Tuesday. So if you come around, yes, the bed is already on. Trying to get hit by. We have the fender on. It is nice, very nice. We have to put the other fender on still, yes. But everything's done in there. Ready to have wood put on it. Gotta do this fender. I've already started running the wiring inside, which I'm not going to open this side of the hood, but there's the under dash harness laying there. And the ECM harness is over there. We still do have to do the gas pedal, of course. Basically now we're in the little stuff where you gotta keep jumping back and forth from thing to thing to thing. Started yesterday on the battery box, which this is barely gonna close past the hood, but it's fine. Okay. Excuse me. I'm gonna have to extend the power wire. Oh god, everything hit me at once there. Extend the power wire, extend the ground. Actually, I was thinking about moving the ground from there to the back of the head. So that way the ground would be right there, right here. But I would like a flip battery if possible. Ground on this side, power on that side. But I have the harness under here, ran, which you cannot see. It's under there. That's the one running inside. So I'm going to jump on it now and finish off the battery box. Mount the ECM, which is up here, right there. Well, it's the first time ever it's zoomed in on a finger, but yeah, right there. So it's got to be mounted in there. And we're pretty close already. I mean, we're getting really close. We have to hook up the headlights, which is the wiring you see here. It's got to be ran down the front, back over to this side, to where we can hook up the turn signals and the headlights. That is the electric fan. We're going to extend them wires so that way we can run them out, under, back over. Hook up the radiator, hook up the heater core, hook up all the wires, and we'll be pretty much done. Throttle pedal, and yeah. So we got throttle pedal, we've got headlights, taillights, turn signals, battery cables, ECM, hoses, fluids, running. Done. Yeah. Again, as I said, the owner is going to do the windows, front and back, side windows. If he plans to do carpet, we did make the seat removable, so he can do sound deadener and carpet, because these things can be a little loud. Okay. The other fender, bed floor, gone. We are done. So, yeah, we definitely should be either Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. It should be gone. So, and it's now Wednesday. So, yeah, it's definitely, the pictures I posted online, the people I know actually love this truck. My friend Kyle said it should be bagged. I'm not gonna lie. Bagged would be cool. Yeah, look at that. Glamour shot. It's definitely got that look. If it was a LS or even a carbureted setup to get rid of all that electronical junk on top of that engine, make it look cleaner, get rid of the AC pump, it would be a lot more hot roddy, even though it's only a 4.3. But you can get headers, cams, intakes, heads. You can push them to 3. You know, it's going to take some money, but you push it to 3. Okay, as I said, I'm back at it. Alright, so last time I was making the battery box, it is now done. All the holes are welded up in this side of the firewalls, but through this side. The bed is done. Both fenders are on. Bed floor is in. We still do have to mount our tail lights, which are not on here yet. So the fender is on. I am currently running the wires. I have this side pulled through. Again, I have the battery set up to be mounted up there. And I'm pulling all these wires today. We'll probably get the gauge in today. We'll probably be really close to starting this thing today. Actually, no we won't either, because we have to get more battery cables, longer battery cables. I'm going to have to make the alternator charging wire longer, so that way it can reach the power post. They want to move the ground at the back. Yeah, but it's coming along quick, fast, and easy. Not easy. It was not easy, but somewhat quick. It is done. Technically. It does run. We just had it running. Only thing we gotta do right now is we have to hook up the vacuum brake booster hose, bleed the brakes, and hook up the electric fan, and do the gas pedal. And it is done on a bun. Yes, sir. And the reason it looks funky right now is because the front end's jacked up. Just to let you know. I don't think I ever showed up close of the factory gauges, or not the factory, but the Chevy gauges in the factory spot. Those are S10 gauges. Looks perfectly fine. All done. We actually have another international going on a Dakota frame next.